ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kakong Rebecca V. Suchiang kabadai ka Officer IAS kababat ni kakerdan Additional Chief Secretary haka arpu kundai tarik ubnai nailor arajar arpuway kala syathung ban shimti kum ka Chief Secretary bethamai jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya haka jaka jong UMS Rao uban sa syong thai no haka laipo tarik ubnai nailor arajar arpuway. Kakong Rebecca kabadai ka Officer IAS naga batch kat kandai spa prapo kandai hadu menta kadang bat ya kakerdan Additional Chief Secretary hapo ka Sarkar Meghalaya bat pedru ya katanat Personal and AR katanat Cabinet Affairs katanat Finance katanat Home Police Department bat kiway kat kum ka jingpan bana bala penmi di katanat Personal and AR bracket A Department kakong Rebecca kaban sa shimti kum ka Chief Secretary jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya kan sa longru hagaju kapor kum ka State Vigilance Commissioner.